Hey, good evening to you, and I am so happy to be live again on Facebook for a little conversation that will change your mindset, that will open you up to many options, because when you know the facts, you are able to take informed decisions. Sometimes because of lack of clarity, sometimes because we know too little, a lot of our questions are unanswered. So we keep overthinking before we can take any decision. Many times we wonder whether taking a decision is the right decision. We are afraid if we are wasting our time and we are wasting our money. And I think this is more relevant than ever in the recent times, in today's times, because we are going through a phase of information overload, and this information overload is only causing overwhelm and too many options but not enough clarity on those options is putting us into what I have often heard a word as analysis paralysis. So we are getting into inaction. I know a lot of friends who have been thinking about starting a skincare regime, but they have just been thinking and they have still been continuing only what they have been using for the past decade, and they are not happy with the results. So like they say, insanity is doing the same thing and expecting different results. So if you are not happy with your skincare and you have been using more or less similar products for almost a decade, going to salons for your facials for almost a decade, trying some home remedies, some home pack after another, but you are not delighted with your skincare, I think you should listen to these conversations. I am sure you will find an option that works for you. You will find an option that fits you right, that you think is so fun and easy to do. And yes, I promise that everything I share is absolutely effective. So starting the topic of today, and we are going to keep it short, we are going to keep it sweet, and we are going to make sure that this conversation is empowering, which means this conversation is sure to teach you something, to open up something for you, to help you decide something in areas that you have probably been stuck. So I think a lot of my clients ask me that celebrities also are a part of Skin Sense. We cater to a lot of television actors, we cater to a lot of Marathi actors, and a lot of my clients are very curious that what exactly do these celebrities do for their skincare, and are they obsessed with skincare, are they spending something unimaginable. So I'm sure some such questions must be coming to your mind, and then you must be putting them off thinking, "Are bhai, that he is a celebrity or she is a celebrity, so then it's okay for them, it's not okay for me." So whatever is that conversation, that little voice in your head, I think it is empowering to know what are the options available. Also, you'll be surprised, in fact you'll be happily surprised to know that even celebrities don't have it easy. Skincare is a commitment, wellness is a commitment. No matter how much money you have to spend, how many assistants you have, there are certain steps that you and you alone have to take the responsibility of doing consistently. So even if you know a celebrity who is spending 10 times or even 50 times what you are spending for your skincare regime, the discipline is absolutely non-negotiable. So this is something I want to tell you, that discipline is non-negotiable whatever kind of skincare you choose. Also, we talk about this concept of awesome inside out. So awesome inside out is about being healthy at a cellular level, choosing healthy habits not just about what you eat. It's also about what time you sleep, how well you sleep, how well you manage your relationships, how well you manage your self-talk. So we have spoken that all these things are capable of disturbing the balance, the digestion, the hormonal imbalance. The whole endocrine gland can go for a toss if you are not able to manage your peace at an internal level. So here, as I talk about the celebrity skincare regime, I would like to bring to your notice that yes, whatever position of life you are at, you have to manage these for yourself. And I have seen, despite the turmoil that celebrities go through, despite the amount of criticism they have to face so many times, I think in the trending times, when everybody is being so judgmental, when everybody has an opinion of everything, I know that a lot of celebrities sometimes have to hear remarks which are absolutely hurting to them, but despite that, they are taking care of their mindset. So as I share about celebrity skincare, I share about certain mindsets and certain practices that are a lot more important than knowing the name of a few products, because wellness is holistic, wellness is inside out. And when you are listening to a conversation from a doctor, when you are choosing a doctor as your beauty partner, you are doing that because you believe that you have to take care of your skin, hair and body shape for yourself. You are not somebody who's looking for a quick fix. You are not somebody who's looking for something just for an event. You are looking for something that stays with you 365 days a year. In fact, 366 days on a leap year. So if you're looking for that kind of skincare, I would definitely want to say that you can't hire anybody to do your push-ups for you. So start with the understanding and start with the commitment that whatever you choose, it is a long-term investment. It is something that needs to be done every single day. And yes, celebrities, despite having so much on their plate to do, despite having grueling regimes, they have the discipline to do the things that are absolutely necessary to do. I would also like to say that, some years ago, maybe 2 decades ago, there was a lot of fear towards using high-end skincare, maybe lasers, maybe some kind of retinols, anything that was labeled as a celebrity's choice. A common public used to be scared about using it because somewhere there was this conversation that said that, these things are harmful and over a period of time they would make the skin really loose or really bad or really pigmented. So there was a lot of such conversation, but thankfully over a period of time, as you see, celebrities in their 60s and maybe even more than 60s, I wouldn't like to take any names, but then you know who I'm referring to, or you can think of somebody. They have maintained themselves so amazingly. They are such an inspiration that we no longer believe that skincare or high-end skincare is going to cause side effects in the future. No, it's clinically proven, and of course, more that doctors are getting into skincare, everybody is concerned not just about today, but they want to be glowing today, radiant tomorrow. But that glow and radiance has to be an investment for years to come. So worry not, everything I tell you is proven, everything is safe, and everything that I am going to be sharing with you, I share with you through my conversations, has no side effects, whether it is short term or it is long term. Now I would like to talk just about 3 things because there is so much to talk about, but my agenda is to empower you, not to overwhelm you, and my agenda is to open up some new conversations for you so that you can choose more powerfully. So one thing I would like to talk about is, most celebrities I know that multivitamins, antioxidants have to be a part of their everyday. So I know that they stock up on this nutrition and they make sure that not just they have a healthy diet, not just they have a good exercise regime, but they make sure that they replenish. Sometimes they send their drivers, sometimes they ask for couriers, but I am really proud and really amazed at how well they replenish their stock of multivitamins and how they know that this makes a substantial difference. So then that is one thing I see in the celebrity skincare. A very common antioxidant that is promoted as a celebrity antioxidant and that is loved by the celebrities is glutathione. Here I would like to tell you that whenever celebrities choose a skincare product, they look at the best quality product, because yes, it is important to them, and when they are committed, they are like determined to be committed, but then they are clear that they demand results from their commitment. So they generally go for a very, very high end, best molecule, best stability, best source. So when we may go for a product which is moderately priced, sometimes celebrities may not be price sensitive. That doesn't mean that they do not value money, but then they have the math in their mind that this is something that is worth, this is something that's an investment, not an expense. So I see most of my celebrity clients make sure that they have glutathione regularly. Glutathione is an antioxidant. Glutathione makes you, it brightens you. It's a brightening agent, it's a lightening agent because it is an antioxidant. It can remove the imperfections from your cellular level. Glutathione is known to cleanse your liver brilliantly. In fact, it is used by doctors for liver disorders, for cancer. You might have heard that a lot of doctors are using glutathione even for recovery in COVID. It's something that cleanses you from inside. So celebrities use a lot of glutathione in large quantities of a very, very good quality too, and they are extremely consistent about it. The mistake which I see other people do is, people who are not celebrity like, or a regular person do, is they lack the commitment, they lack the discipline, and they get carried away too soon. So if you are a client of Skin Sense, you might have always heard a Skin Sense doctor tell you that take your time, ask your questions and take an informed decision, because getting carried away and taking a decision and not following it through is not going to give you celebrity like results, or is not even going to give you the results that you desire and you deserve. So you have to be committed to whatever you choose. You have to understand how long you will have to take it, and you will have to take it for those many days. So I take this opportunity to bring up a few bad habits of many of my clients. Maybe you are one of them, and maybe this could be this, you needed to hear this, is that there is no point in investing in something but then not following up through. If you start an antioxidant, I would want you to take it for a minimum of 3 months. A celebrity waits for 6 to 9 months many times till they see the results that they are looking for, they desire. In fact, it takes around 3 years for some skincare products to show magical results. So you would have seen that people just keep improving and improving and improving. So that is possible for you. Hi Kiran, good evening, and I am so happy to see you. So glutathione we are talking about, which is a celebrity antioxidant, and I would say that why this is called a celebrity antioxidant, one of course is all celebrities are glued to it. It gives you brightening of both the face and the body, and as celebrities have to wear all kind of clothes, and they are they are being judged on their entire personality. They are very, very careful about all the imperfections of both their face and body. They are really demanding an even tone, and glutathione helps them get that. So if you're looking for an even tone face and body, you could consider glutathione. Yes, there are many qualities of glutathione. If you talk to a doctor will help you find the right dosage and the right quality. But yes, this is not for everybody. The celebrity skincare I'm talking about is for few people who are willing to look at skincare as an investment, who are willing to do it over a long period of time, and who are ready to be committed not just to the skincare regime, but to overall wellness, to overall discipline, to those few steps that are so essential for you to be awesome inside out. So now coming to the next thing that celebrities generally use is retinol. So yes, you must be thinking that I talk so much about retinol, and retinol is such a molecule next door. Do celebrities also use retinol? Yes, absolutely. Retinol is something that you will see endorsed by people all over the world, and retinol is a vitamin A derivative, and there are something called as tretinoin, which is a harsh form of retinol, which is available for as little as 150 rupees a tube. And then we have retinols which our celebrity clients use from us. Some brides also use them, and some clients who are extremely, I mean, they love pampering themselves and they love taking care of their skin. So they also use this kind of retinol, which is said to be the world's best retinol. So the best retinol is 15,000 rupees for a tube. Thank you, Kiran, that you say I'm glowing, and true. And here I would like to add that it is the best glow, though I, being an aesthetician, being a medical aesthetician and talking about products, I also say that something that is so essential to make you glow is the love of people who really care for you. So as you say these wonderful words, I would like to tell you, Dr. Kiran, that yes, your love adds to my glow. And I would also like to take this chance to also say that another thing that adds to the glow is a sense of purpose. When you wake up in the morning with the excitement to do something, to add more value to somebody, to express what you feel, I think it just naturally, there is a very natural glow, and I found a very beautiful word for it, which is known as glow getter. So coming back to celebrity skincare regimes, so celebrities definitely use retinols, but they use the retinol which is highly micronized, highly stabilized, and this retinol can cost as much as 15,000 rupees, whereas the most basic tretinoin, which is a crude form of retinol, costs 150 rupees. So the way you wear a white shirt and a celebrity might wear a white shirt, but both of you may have so much difference in the fabric, or sometimes we see certain online sites selling celebrity like saris, but I don't know if any of you has ever bought any of them. So once a friend of mine bought a sari which was some celebrity had worn for some Filmfare award, and she bought that sari from a online site, and that sari looked, I mean, the fabric was so not celebrity like, for the lack of a better word, that it just didn't give that kind of a fall or feel at all. But then the same normal sari which the celebrity was wearing had a very different fabric, and because of the fabric, the way the whole sari was falling was class apart and was memorable. So yes, quality matters when it comes to skincare. Not that quality is always expensive, so you don't want to get carried away by, because in skincare people do get carried away, so you don't want to get carried away by overpaying for a product that doesn't live up to its claim. But yes, I would invest in an expensive skincare product. So I'm a very lazy girl and I'm a very busy girl. So I have too much on my mind and I have too little time for multiple steps in skincare. So I prefer buying something that is expensive but proven to work. I prefer using 1 or 2 products to having a cleanser, a toner, a rose water, a pack, a gel. So that's not my kind of skincare, and that's not the kind of skincare that my clients like. So if you're a Skin Sense client, you know that you're ambitious, proactive, with a purpose. So we have one kind of people generally who resonate with us, who want the best for themselves, who want to be the best version of themselves, but they want it to be hassle free. Even my celebrity clients tell me, can you make it as few steps as possible, and can you make it as effective as possible? You will be surprised to know that they never say how soon will I see the results. Yes, of course, there are times when they want to see results really soon. At that point of time, there are very high-end lasers. Yes, they go for Botox and fillers and certain other dramatic things that give dramatic results. So if you are looking for very quick results, there are dramatic options available for you. But then if you are going the way of using products, I think slow and steady and transformational is what everybody gets. And if you're ready to do that, I think you should begin the journey. And as I tell you, 6 months and 9 months and 1 year, if this comes to your mind, oh my God, that's too much time and I don't have the patience. Let me tell you, देखते देखते 2-3 साल गुजर जाएंगे. Sometimes you don't even realize, and years have gone past. Can you believe it is 15 months to the lockdown? I mean, we've been locked down at home. We've been dealing with this corona for 15 months. And sometimes when you look at it, it feels like yesterday that the lockdown was announced. So sometimes time just flies, and we keep getting scared that this much time I have to use a product. I don't think it's not worth it, or I don't resonate with it, but the time passes any which ways. Also, I would want to tell you that celebrities always carry moisturizer in their bag. They ask me, give me the best possible moisturizer, because they know that constant traveling to different places, always living in the AC, always the flight travel, also those harsh lights that they are subject to, all of that can dehydrate the skin, and nothing harms the skin more than a moisturizer. So yes, the takeaway was, everybody is quite like us. Like reminds me of one of the most beautiful quotes that I like, that there is no another. Everybody's challenges are more or less similar. Everybody has to go through the grind. So you have to choose according to your needs. You have to choose according to your goals, whether for you skincare and hair care, whether that's an expense or an investment. Everything, especially if you are over 35 years of age and you are looking at skincare to look glowing for the rest of your life, or for the next 25 years of your life, it is going to be something that you will have to invest in every few months. So always take care that you are making the choices based on what you're going to follow through. I hope this conversation was not too preachy. At the same time, I hope it had some element of entertainment, but it did educate you for sure. If you like my conversation, just give me a thumbs up and keep sending your love. I mean, I felt really nice that Kiran said that she'll be here, and then Kiran came to, initially she used to come for all my Facebook lives, but I think life does get busy. She's a very busy doctor too. So I'm thankful for each one of you, and I'm thankful for Rosie too for being here. I mean, Rosie is like somebody, I don't see her for months, but then I know she's always there for me. So thank you everybody for showering me with the love and the compliments. And I confess that my glow, primarily, I mean, there could be many reasons for my glow, but my glow primarily comes from your love. Thanks a lot. If you found this useful, please share this forward. Maybe somebody could learn something from this, and that could change their way they look at beauty.